Did you know that liver disease now affects over 100 million people worldwide? And what's even more shocking, many cases are directly linked to what we eat every day. The foods you consume could be damaging one of the most vital organs in your body, your liver, without you even knowing it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we dove deep into the foods that can support and even heal your liver. But today, we're flipping the script and discussing something even more critical. The foods that can absolutely wreck your liver if consumed regularly. Understanding what you put into your body is the first step toward preventing liver disease and other health issues. So if you care about your long-term health, stick around, because some of these foods might surprise you. Your liver is the workhorse of your body, processing nutrients, filtering toxins, and regulating chemical levels in your bloodstream. But there's a hidden challenge. The Western diet is loaded with foods and additives that can overwhelm your liver, leading to fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and other severe health conditions. By consuming the wrong foods, you might be setting your liver up for failure. So let's talk about 6 foods that you need to be extremely cautious about. First, fructose. Fructose is a type of sugar found naturally in fruits, but it's the added fructose in processed foods that's dangerous to your liver. Common foods that contain fructose are high fructose corn syrup in sodas, sweetened snacks, and processed foods, table sugar, which is part fructose, agave nectar, marketed as a healthy sweetener, but actually packed with fructose. When you consume large amounts of fructose, your liver converts it into fat. Over time, this fat can accumulate in your liver, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. What's even scarier is that fructose doesn't trigger your body's normal insulin response, meaning you don't feel full and tend to overeat, compounding the problem. Second, soy protein isolates. Soy protein isolates are derived from soybeans, but are heavily processed. They're often used as a cheap, plant-based protein in a variety of foods. Common foods that contain soy protein isolates are diet shakes, protein powders, protein bars, veggie burgers, and other meat substitutes. While soy itself has been debated for years, isolated soy proteins are a different story. These isolates often come from genetically modified soybeans and have been linked to an increase in inflammation and fatty liver. Some studies suggest that processed soy can affect liver function due to the high amount of chemicals used in their extraction. Third, maltodextrin. Maltodextrin is a starch-based thickener or filler commonly used in processed foods. Common foods that contain maltodextrin are protein powders, vitamin supplements, packaged foods with fillers or drying agents, puddings, and protein bars. Maltodextrin can spike your blood sugar levels even more than regular sugar. This puts pressure on your liver to process excess sugar, leading to increased fat accumulation in the liver. Over time, this can contribute to insulin resistance, fatty liver disease, and even diabetes. Fourth, vegetable fats. These oils are extracted from plants like soybeans, corn, and canola, and are commonly used in fast food and processed snacks. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, promote inflammation and can lead to oxidative stress in the liver. Long-term, this stress can cause liver cell damage and even cirrhosis. Most processed foods are packed with these oils, so it's critical to read labels carefully. Fifth, monosodium glutamate. MSG is a flavor enhancer commonly used in processed foods, fast foods, and many Chinese dishes. Common foods that contain MSG are fast food items like fried chicken, burgers, Chinese takeout, and pizza, plus packaged snacks like chips. MSG is known for causing inflammation, and when it's consumed frequently, it can overwhelm your liver's ability to process it. Studies show that high doses of MSG can lead to liver inflammation, fatty liver disease, and even fibrosis. Sixth, aflatoxins. Aflatoxins are toxic substances produced by certain molds, found in foods like peanuts and corn. Common foods that contain aflatoxins are peanuts, especially improperly stored, and corn, particularly cornmeal or popcorn. Aflatoxins are highly toxic to the liver and have been linked to liver cancer. While the FDA regulates aflatoxin levels, improper storage can lead to contamination. If you regularly consume contaminated foods, the aflatoxins can cause severe liver damage, including cirrhosis and cancer. So, out of these 6, which is the most dangerous for your liver? Without a doubt, it's aflatoxins. Unlike the other foods that cause liver damage over time, aflatoxins can cause immediate and severe liver damage, even leading to liver cancer if exposure is high. While the other foods on this list contribute to chronic liver disease, aflatoxins are particularly insidious because they are often invisible in our food supply. While aflatoxins are a global concern, proper agricultural practices, storage, and food safety regulations significantly reduce the risk in many parts of the world. However, they remain a persistent issue in certain regions and crops, especially when regulatory oversight or storage conditions are inadequate. Now that you know the foods that can harm your liver, it's time to take control of your diet and make informed decisions. Have you experienced any liver health issues related to diet? Share your story in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future health tips.